clean. Nice little RX-7 stock. R34, yes, GTR. Those Z2 fenders. So sick. It's got Dubai plates on it. Carbon fiber. It's got a bunch of little carbon fiber bits. Nice. Nismo wheels. Carbon fiber. It's pretty stock, but has some little bits here and there. OEM Plus stuff. Little 180SX. This thing looks beat up. Nice. Used and abused. Not bad, not bad. Super cool. He's got one more car over here. My favorite car. You guys ready? Yes. Skyline R32 GTR. Pretty good condition. Got some gram lights, wheels. Looks pretty stock. That old GTR badge. Oh boy, eh? Needs some love. Alright guys, so today we're at the Nismo Factory. See it right in back. Gonna be showing you guys around. My first time here. I had to come to Nismo Factory, of course. I'm a big Nissan guy. So stay tuned and let's see what they got inside. Some more engines over here. Got a buddy over here working on the car. R32 GTR right here. R32. This thing's so clean now. Here they literally look like what I do. This is money right there. They even put little things around it. If you know, you know. If you look closely, it's all made in GTRs. Yep, pretty cool to see. Just chilling. Yep. Of course, you got the race car R35. I've seen this place online a lot of times, and everyone says it's small, but I mean, it is very small. You only realize when you really get here. Like, look how big this place is. It's not big, but they got some really nice cars in here. And then in the back over there, you have all the guys working. It's where all the magic happens. Here you got some trophies, some old racing suits. Very cool. Super clean. Nismo R32 GTR. This thing is mint. Nismo wheels. It's got regular cluster, I'm surprised. Nismo steering wheel. Regular gauges. Nismo short shifter. Interior was completely redone. Hard to see, but look at those seats. Nismo seats. Super nice. White GTRs hit different. Very nice. All the moldings, everything is super clean. This is the stuff that not a lot of people look at, but I look at. They're old, but they're really clean. A little bit faded up top here. Besides that, pretty good, pretty clean. The dash is redone as well, all leather. This is sick. So yeah, not too much stuff over here, but some nice stuff, that's for sure. Got like 3 race cars, the 400R, an R32 GTR, and then in the workshop we got a couple of other things. Go check out the little Nismo shop over here, see if there's anything to buy. They got a bunch of stuff, got front bumpers, front fenders. That was cool. Another car. That's what we heard when we were like leaving. And then you got an R35 out here too. Oh, and you got a drift car here too. Sick. All right, got a couple more things to film. That was fun. It was worth it. Small, but worth it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of cars that just pulled up out here. We got another one over there too. This one's got some gnarly big brakes. Sick. It's like some R35 GTR Brembo conversion. It's pretty cool. Nice. Super clean. It's heaven. So many R32 GTRs just everywhere. So sick. Little drift car. So clean. I need one of these. Super clean. All right, that was fun. Even she had fun. Just watching me film and go away.
It was so small.
That's small, but worth it. It's cool. A couple little cool cars. 400R. I've never seen one of those in my life, especially yellow. Those things are rare. I saw that car, you'll never see another one again. Look there. Another white R34. Just chilling in the wild.
Here.
Yeah, but we're next to Nismo Factory. So cool. Where's he going? Oh, he's leaving the other way. Pretty neat. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.